Coach is the most versatile software for teaching science and STEM education. It combines data logging, sensor measurements, data analysis, dynamic modeling, video measurement, and the creation and interpretation of graphs. The award-winning software works on all devices, such as Windows and Mac computers, iPads, Android tablets, Chromebooks and smartphones. You can scan the results, analyze the slope in the diagram or the area under a part of the graph. There is the possibility to do a functional analysis, take the derivative or the integral and smooth the graph. You can also do some statistics on the data. You can not only do measurements with sensors, you can also analyze image and video data. Make your own video and use Coach for analysis. You can analyze up to 8 data points per frame of the video and also calculate data points like the center of the mass in a dive. The data points can be sampled by hand or by tracking the points. Science is also modeling the world around us. In Coach you can do modeling in text mode or in graph mode. Ready models can be used in biology, chemistry or physics. See the lesson plans at the website. Changing parameters give students understanding of ecological systems, for example. In the modeling mode, you can integrate experimental data and compare model and experiment. You can make animations for controlling parameters in a model or show the data of a model or experiment in another way. Coach also has a control environment. Students use this to program a thermostat, let a car follow a black line, or develop systems that use sensor data to manipulate the environment. The WeLab interface has LEDs and a buzzer you can control. With the Coach Lab, you can control up to 4 motors or actuators. By purchasing a Coach 7 license, you also gain access to the CMA Science Lesson Database, which offers you a wide range of lesson plans to inspire and save you preparation time. Go to cmsscience.nl for more information and licenses.